Выключу.
Okay, that's better like this. So, right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Я выключу.
So, I say assalamualaikum.
Валейкум салам. Валейкум салам.
Okay, so before we talking about trading, right?
Мгм.
Lot of people just look at the chart, just look at the price. You
Мгм.
know, they're going up, they're going down, and then and
Мгм.
the next what they try to do, it's
Мгм.
always want to predict where is the market going up or
Мгм.
going down. So
Мгм.
if we only talking about this one, this is same like casino, right?
Да.
So trading, it's not casino. Trading, you know, it's same like you are in the market, right?
Мгм.
And trading, it's not always same with investment. So why this thing is very important? You know, we have to remember. If you want to do for day to day, we're talking about trading. Trading, it's very different with the investment. I will give you some of the example like this. If you do trading,
Мгм.
same like you are buying a Zimlia,
Мгм.
when you want to sell it, you have to know, and when you want to, how long you want to keep it, and you have to be smart.
Тебе нужно даже, например, говорит, ты покупаешь землю, тебе нужно знать, сколько времени подождать и когда тебе продать. Ну, вот так вот. Сколько
So
нужно вы.
investment, we're talking about very, very long time, right?
Мгм.
So, for example, like we buy Zimlia,
Мгм.
um, when we do the trading,
Мгм.
we already know, So let's like, for example, like this. The government said they will build the school, right? They
Мгм.
will build a mall, but still not there. Just the plan, you know.
Мгм.
This is the future, okay?
Вот всё.
But Zimlia, when you buy it, you cannot wait. Oh, maybe next year, maybe 2 years from
Мгм.
now, the government will build the school, will build the mall. When you do the trading, we cannot wait for this one because you build, you sell, right?
Мгм.
You are a seller, you build, then you think for the buyer to sell it. You are the seller and you're looking for the buyer. So you are always thinking like, right now, before this, maybe this Zimlia, maybe you can sell it for 100,000 US. So you have to
Мгм.
think, maybe I can buy Zimlia for 90,000, then sell it to the 100. But you have to know that there is a buyer at 100. You cannot say, oh, what time we can wait until the mall come, until the school come, because if the mall and school, there, that will be maybe we can sell it for 200,000. But this is for long term. This is investment. Okay. For
Мгм.
example, you buy the house and then you put it for your family first, and then you think maybe after 5 year I want to sell it, or you have one house and you buy another house and you buy another house, just want to sell it whenever you want. This is investment. But trading, it's not. You
Мгм.
always thinking how much you want to sell. And you always have to know if the price that you want to sell, you know that the people can buy. Maybe you want to explain in Kazakh?
Russian.
hmm Russian, yeah. Maybe you want to explain first in the Russian.
Мгм. Ну, это про вот это вот длительные инвестиции, допустим. Вот, допустим, землю покупаешь и... а, She understand?
Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay. So we can speed up. So like this. um, you know, a lot of people, this is very important first because we have to always remember we buy for selling, not we buy
Мы
for hold.
покупаем, чтобы продавать.
Yeah, I remember one day when I was in Japan, I was staying at Tsukiji. This is before I meet you, so don't worry about this. So you will asking, who are you going with? Oh, I don't know.
When?
Okay, the place is Tsukiji. At that time, now the place it's changed. At that time, this is the fish market. Okay,
Мгм.
at that time it was a fish market. It's traditional fish market. So I you know that I like to do the photography, right? So
Мгм.
I wake up in the morning like uh 3:30, 4 o'clock, something like that, and I go to the fish market because like people saying that oh they start working at 2 o'clock in the morning, for buying for the fish and things like that. But I cannot go inside because it's only for the people there. And then so anyway, so I decide to go back to hotel because like it's too early for people to come. So I decide I go back to the hotel and then I fall asleep. I wake up already 8 o'clock, 8:30 maybe. So I go to the Tsukiji market and I go to the market. So first I go at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then because I late, I come maybe nine something. I go on the market and it's already finished. So
М.
all of the people already sell, and then they got it sold like this. And sometimes they give free, like buy one get one free, something like that, and
Мгм.
discount. So
Мгм.
I was thinking like this: the people only working from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock, something like this, in the morning.
Мгм.
So the people in this fish market, they try to buy fish and sell it. They never buy and keep it.
Мгм.
Let's say they buy $10. Maybe they need to um to sell it. They buy $10, and maybe they need to sell it for $11.
Мгм.
You know, sometimes they have to buy at 10, but because maybe nobody wants to buy, they have to sell it $9, which is this one is plus one and this
Мгм.
one is minus two. For them, it doesn't matter. They need to go back. It's not the plus or minus. They need to go back to home with the money,
Мгм.
right? Because they
Мгм.
know after 9:30, when the market is finished, they cannot sell it. Maybe the fish already not fresh. They will sell it more at $5, right?
Мгм.
Because nobody want to sell it, right? No, sorry, nobody want to buy it. So everything is going down and going down and finish. Because that's why a lot of people lose the money in the market, because when they buy $10,
Мгм.
they cannot find the seller at $11, or they think they can say, oh, I need to after this I need to buy something, and I need to sell it $15. If someone can buy at $15, that's okay. But if only $11, you have to sell it. Or maybe somebody want to sell it. I mean, want to buy it and $9, you have to sell it. Okay, this time it will be minus, but next time it will be plus, right? So this is the basic of the trading. So Elia can follow this one.
Yeah, we already have basic, you know.
No. I mean, like, she understand what this one, right? What I'm talking about.
I
Because,
understand.
okay, because why this is very important. I show you, now I will show you the chart. Wait. Mhm. Wait, hang on. Wait, where is my chart? Okay. This is my Zolota chart. Okay. Number one.
Just a moment, please. One
Okay.
minute.
Okay.
Just 1 minute, please. Так. Мгм.
Okay.
Мгм.
This is Zolota chart. Okay. Because you have to know who will buy, who will sell, and how long you want to hold. That's a different thing. For example, like this. This is a daily chart. No? So this one bar is 1 day. And this one, the yellow one, it's
Мгм.
Monday to Monday. So if this is Monday, Tuesday,
Ладно.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is Monday again. So
Ага.
you see, this is the price movement, you know,
Мгм.
from 1 week. So you can see this is 2 week, this is 3 week, and you can see there is a change. But the question is there any change to go up or go down?
Мгм.
You know, we will talk about that one later. Below that one, I have another chart. This one. Let me clear this one first. And clean this one. Okay. And this one. Mhm. Okay. Remember Monday to Monday?
Мгм.
Yeah. So this is Monday. This is Monday, right? So look at the
Мгм.
chart. The chart moving like this. But you have to know who is trading this one. Same like in the fish market. Who is
Мгм.
trading from 4 to 9 o'clock? And
Мгм.
from 9 o'clock after that, who buy this fish and then where they sell it? Remember, I haven't finished what I'm saying before. So at that
Мгм.
fish market at 4:30 to
Мгм.
9 o'clock, this is the wholesaler. The wholesaler, it's people on the big seller. They are buying big and then they're selling big. After
Мгм.
this one, they're selling to retail, the small one, like restaurant, that's kind of things. So
Мгм.
after the restaurant, maybe they change it, to sell it again to another thing like a fast food, things like it could be like this. So the time will move time to time, and the people
Мгм.
who trading, it's also different. I show you this one. If you just trading like this, you just trading with the blind. You don't know who trading this one. That's why
Мгм.
we always I create this one, the time zone like this. That's why these things I will let you know. This one, the green one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
is the Asia. So this time, this is the time, the clock time. It's US time. So because hang on, because this is UTC 4, that's mean
Mm-hmm.
it's a New York time, right?
Uh-huh.
In trading,
Uh-huh.
if you can change the time, see New York, right?
Uh-huh.
So this green one is the beginning of the Asia and also
Mm-hmm.
Australia, because on the first Monday, on the Sunday in US, the market open. Who is the start? Is the Asia and also Australia. I'll show you this one. So this hang on. Okay, Sydney. Look at this one. When I click this one, look at this one.
Uh-huh.
9 o'clock, 9:30, right?
Uh-huh.
You see this one, the time?
Да.
Yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning. So because the market in Australia, because I changed it to this one, to the Sydney, start at 9 o'clock their time, their morning. Okay. Then
Uh-huh.
after that, move to the blue one. This one.
Mm-hmm.
This blue one is European market. Let me show you this. I changed this to the London. When I click this one, see? Wait, sorry. Where is it? Look at this one. This is 8 o'clock in London time, because London sometimes they start early. Why? Because in what was that? In German, which is hang on, where is German? German is 1 hour different than London.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Hang on. Anyway, um, Munich. Hang on, where is anyway? So German start after London. Okay, so the German, if in London 9 o'clock, say 8 o'clock, in German it's 9 o'clock. So 1 hour different. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
I put this one. So I know who will start for this one, who will do for this one, right? So the blue one, the traders from London start to trade. Because everywhere people go to work at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. The earliest is 8 o'clock, and then they going home at 5 o'clock. Everywhere, right? But this
Mm-hmm.
is because the chart is 24 hour. You can see, oh, it is 24 hour. Yes, it is. But you have to know who will doing this business with a lot of trade, because you need, if, like I said to you, if you go to the this fish market after 9 o'clock, there's nobody there, or somebody there, but just small one. But if you want to do business, you need to do at 4 o'clock and 9 o'clock for the fish market. This Solota also, we have to see who will do the big market for this one. Let's we continue this one.
Mm-hmm.
So at this one, okay, not this
Mm-hmm.
one, because I have another time for that things. Let me check if I can. Gold open. Okay, I close it. Okay. See, there is a gold open because gold start early. So this one, the red one,
Mm-hmm.
is the US, the New York, and US start with the New York. See this one. When I
Mm-hmm.
move this one, they start at 9:30.
9:30. Uh-huh.
Yes. And remember, this one is the blue one,
Mm-hmm.
is London. If I change again with the London again, let me back to. Okay, the German is in Dublin. See this one, nine. Sorry. Wait. It should be not Dublin. I have to looking for another one. It should be Munich. Anyway, so let me go to back
London.
to London. Okay. So
Mhm.
remember this. This is the London, right?
Mhm.
And this the gray one, which is 4 o'clock in London time, where the
Mhm.
bank start closing. The stock exchange start closing. Everything start close. So from here to here is a London time,
Mhm.
and this is American. And here to here,
30 until 4, right?
yes, this one.
Mhm.
See, when I change this one back to the New York, New York, New York, New York. So that's why when you are trading, you don't have to sit 24 hour. Even the market is 24 hour because
We
you
just
just
need to choose some
yes,
area, huh?
correct, correct,
Country.
correct, correct. Yes. And I want you to start to learning with the London market. I will tell you why.
So we can understand down or up
Da,
the.
yes. And so this one, okay. Let me continue again. This one is 9:30. Okay,
Mhm.
and this is the what was it? What do you call it? The um Asia,
Green.
the Australian, yeah, the green one. So it's at
Uh-huh.
7:30. But look at this. When I move back, this is 6:30, 6 o'clock, and there is no
Mhm.
5 o'clock. See, from 4:30, and then after it jump
Uh-huh.
to 6 o'clock. Why?
6
Because
o'clock. Yeah.
yeah, because the market stop at start from 4:30 to the 6 o'clock
Mhm.
in New York time. So the New York time close at 6:30 in here, right?
Mm. Mhm.
And I will tell you one more thing. Okay, after this we will I will tell you the market. I mean the contract because people still got wrong for this one. Okay, just forget about this one. But this is the volume.
Volume. Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is you don't need to see this one. This is another one again. So look at the volume. Right? Look at this one. When this start until this one, just from here to here, look at this the volume. Very big. Why?
Mhm.
Because the US market start and the London market close. Can you see?
Mhm. Mhm.
The London start want to close. And remember, they have to sell everything in either profit or loss. They need to sell it because they before they leave the office, they
Mhm.
have to report to the boss, hey boss, I'm lost, or boss, I'm making money.
Mhm.
Because when you go home, you don't want to think about work, right? You,
Mhm.
these people, the big bang, because who's trading this one? It's not people like us in front of a computer. This is like the big bang insurance company, big brokers like JP Morgan, like Citibank, Big Bang, something like that. So they're going home and they don't want to, after they go, maybe they go to party, maybe they go for dinner, they go with the family. They don't want to think about the work. So they have to finish everything when they go home. So that's why you have to concentrate. If you trade on the London market, you just need to concentrate from here to here. And for the American market, you have to trade from here to here, right? And if you are if you already know about the market, you don't have to trade from the here to
Mhm.
here. Maybe you
Mhm.
just need to trade on the very big volume or on the opening only. See, this is not so many, and then after that, lots in here.
Mhm. Mhm.
Something like that, right? But especially
Mhm.
for Zolota, yeah, Zolota, they start 1 hour before the market open. That's why if I click this one,
Конечно, там нравитесь.
I have this one, gold open, right? If you see this one, the gold open,
Mhm.
right? So the gold open, there is another color in here. Oh, wait, hang on, wait, this one. Okay. Look at this one, yeah? This is empty. When I click this one, have another one, right?
Mm-hmm.
When I close this one, it's empty. And this one is New York. So this one, not so bright red color is the gold open. So gold actually have different time for the cash. We're talking about the cash. For the New
Mm-hmm.
York, they start in here and they close in here. That's why for the gold, look at this one for Roma. This one, the
Mm-hmm.
volume, it's start big and very big and very big. And then in here, they go finish.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Can you trade in here? Yes. But you have to remember, if you trade on the small area,
Mm-hmm.
you cannot think, oh, I want to get big money. Yes, if you see like this, they can go like this, they can go like this. But you know, you have to think that if the market is very empty, uh, you don't know who will buy or sell in the high market. I mean, like it's the trading is not like this. You have to know, is there any lot of people buying this one? You know, so that's that's the concept of the trading. You have to know when and where you are trading. Because um, this is 30 minutes. I will explain why we're using 1 day and then 30 minutes, not 1 hour. Then after that, for Zolota, we're using 3 or 5 minutes. Right? I'll tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one. This is the cash open until the London close. This is the most big cash, right? Yes, when you are win, you will win big. Yes, you are when you will lose big. That's why I say to
Mm-hmm.
you, you need to start this one, the London Open. This is the
Not one
best
drop.
place. Yeah, this is the best place to trade. It's slower, but still have volume, for the minimum 1 hour, 2 hour maximum,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because you just trade in here. If you can trade in here, because you just remember, you are a fish market, you are a fish seller. You buy from
Mm-hmm.
the big one, you buy from the ocean sea, and then you
Mm-hmm.
sell it to the people on your door. That's it, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to think about, oh, maybe the news say this is Zolota is 4,700. The news say it's going 5,000. Oh well, if it's go to 5,000, 5,000, we will trade also in 5,000. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we will not finish everything in 1 day. I will give you the homework for you to look at, because you need, now we already have an AI which is like easy to learn.
Mm-hmm.
I'll send you the book, but you will learn with the AI.
Mm-hmm.
We're using the method called Wyckoff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Wyckoff.
Wyckoff. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Wyckoff is a traders. I think is long time ago. I think I forgot the years, but 18 something. When people still riding the horse.
Uh,
Yeah, you can search this one, Wyckoff. So Wyckoff, they are trading when there is no computer, right? They're
mm-hmm.
trading in different way, but what we still can learn from him, he trade on the price and volume. This is very important because we have to know if people keep buying it or people keep selling it. They don't want it. They just want to sell it. You know, we have to
Mm-hmm.
know if they want to buy, for example, like this. This is what we will learn day for day. The market is going down,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then after that, when the market open, we want to see if someone, the big player, buying a lot. See this one,
Mm-hmm.
right? They buy a lot. And not only that one, the price need to continue high.
Mm.
That means they will buy and buy and buy. Because sometimes, the market open,
Mm-hmm.
maybe let me check, is already too high. Oops, sorry. It's already too high. They
Mm-hmm.
buy with a big volume, but this is not going through, not going up, but it will go
Mm-hmm.
down. But when they're going down, the volume finish, and then they have a big volume again, they stop, and then they continue this one again.
Mm-hmm.
So we will learn about this one. We will learn about this one, and we also learn about the psychology of playing poker. You know poker,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because like
Yeah.
a lot of poker players, when they doing the trading, they become very good because there is a psychology in the poker tradings that can help you to manage the things. If you realize, people in the poker, they don't really know what is the card, on the tables, but they look at the people who is very confident, how they confident they put the money. They call it psychology game, because whatever on the tables, you know they cannot change, but people can change. You have to know
Mm-hmm.
about this one. So that's the thing. So, Elia, you follow me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So, um when you do the chart, okay, I want you to manually, using the 30-minute first, for you not to be difficult, and then you change from Asia, like same like that. They put
Mm-hmm.
in you just put like the line, simple line like this. I have a horizontal line, just put like this, and you can say this one, it's London, you know, something
Mm-hmm.
like this, and then after, oh, where is the things? Okay, this one, London, uh, yeah, London, and London open. I will give you this indicator later, but you need to see this one, and you need to draw, like, you know for example, it's like this. Where is the Asia? you know where is the low of the Asia and high of the Asia? And we will see in the London, where is the market? Is the market still want to go higher, or they don't want to go higher? Something like this. If you every day you doing like this, you will see how to trade. You can feel the market will be going up or going down. First, you
Mm-hmm.
have to follow the market first. You know, because the price is always going and up, like reclam, like this.
Mm-hmm.
The market is going up and down, is just like reclam. But the most important thing, you have to feel it, if the market is going up or going down. That's the first thing. Not to guess, but you can feel it. For example, like today.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday, the market was in, oh, sorry. Yesterday, the market is in here, right? This is, sorry, Friday here, Thursday here, Wednesday here. Look at this. They stay in here. Now the market in here. Now the
Mm-hmm.
question is, will the market back in here or not? See, this is the line that we draw before, going down and then buying. going down, ending by going down, ending by going down, and today if the market stay above this one, then we have probability, high probability. We don't know is it sure or not, but we have sorry, probability the market will trade in this way. Same thing like this one. Yes, we will need to know what happened with the market. Yes, we need to know about the news, but we have to feel it first. When the news and the price go together, then we can go big. But when the news and the price not going together, we still can do, but maybe we do small, you know? So it's like that. This, if you are in poker, right? So if your card is good, if your another people is afraid to put the money on the table, and the card in the table, they already open 3, right? You don't know about the 2, or maybe you already see the 4 card, but you already see the 4 card, but just 1 card, and you don't know. You can confident that your probability to win it's big, right? So it's same thing like this. When everything in one place, of course, after this they can go like this. That's why we will do the risk management. That's will be different again, but you know we will see. Sorry about that. If this going up, or this is will be trade on the downside on going here. And when we want to wait when the shop open, right? So this is the London is already open, but what we wait right now? We wait for the American open, right? So when the American open, maybe they going this again and then maybe stay in here. Then we know the market want to buy in here. They buy a lot and they want to sell it higher. Remember, the market is always want to buy low and sell it higher, or they want to sell it first and they want to buy the cover when they sell and then buy after that. That's we call it cover. When they sell it, they want to cover later on the downside. That's one thing. It's a lot of things that we will learn, not today, but because we will learn. When the market is wrong, for example, it's like this. Look at this one. A lot of people buying in here. They buy, they buy, they buy, they buy, they buy, and then like this. So a lot of buyer wrong in here. But see, because the market is very big, they're going up again in here. Why? Because the people who buy in here, they can buy more. Not us. We cannot do this. It's very dangerous if you. But we have to know about this one so we can feel the psychology for this one. Because the trading is about psychology. For like this, people wrong, okay? People buy, and then wrong. When they go up, they change to sell it because they want to close it, right? And then go down, the people want to buy. See, if the market above this one, higher than, that's mean the buyer in here, they come back again in here to buy more. But if there is no buyer in here, that means people who buy in here or buy in here, they want to sell it because, like I said to you, maybe they think, this is not the time to hold the gold. If they buy $100, they are okay to selling it's only $70 because they need to keep the cash. Remember, they need to keep the cash. This is the cash. Yes, they are minus 30, but they keep the cash. And so when the market is in the same movement, then they will do again. Just a moment. I need to answer the phone, then I will back to it. Just one.
Okay. Дай, мне, пожалуйста. Отдай. Это плохое. Отдай. Вот холодненький. Mama. Обязательно крепу
Okay.
чертям.
Let's continue this one. Okay. Where is it? Okay. So right now we're waiting for the shop open. I will show you. I have another chart. This is more advanced because hang on. So it's sorry about that. No, 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 no. Oh, why I cannot move the chat? Wait, something goes wrong. Okay. Let me show you. Where is my? Oh my God. Sometimes this one make me nervous. Sami, you are there? Hello, Sami. Sami. Hello, Sami. Hello. Ah. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe you can open your microphone, Sami. Okay, you can unmute. Okay,
Окей.
good.
Нормально?
Right. Normal. Okay, I saw you this one.
Мгм.
So this is the gold chart, but it's very detailed. It's like 1 point and 1 point. See this one? It's very small one, right?
Мгм.
In here, you see this? This is how the market movement. So if I say this one, this is the people who want to buy. This is the
Мгм.
people who want to sell. This is the
Мгм.
contract that already done. Okay. This is the contract that
Мгм.
already done. So like this. So um, when I clean this one like this is
Мгм.
only chart. Okay.
Мгм.
When I move like this, then I know who is waiting. Like how much people who waiting really want to buy this one. So
М.
when people start buying this one like this, okay, it's
Мгм.
look like it's going up, but until where? Maybe here, maybe here, right? So
Мгм.
where is the stop? Maybe here. If this finish, nobody want to buy in here. That means maybe nobody want to buy. See this one? So the price move because somebody want to buy.
Mhm.
right? And you have to know why I say to you, you need to learn not only Solota, the gold, because
Mhm.
I show you this one. I will show you. This is the wait, yeah. Let me show you this. Where is that? Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Can you see this?
Да.
Okay. So this is um you don't have to worry right now about this one, but I will show you the different this and the American stock. So like this. This is people who want to buy, you know, this is people who want to sell. So the market is working like this. If these people who waiting, this is let's say this is five people waiting in here, seven people
Mhm.
waiting here. If this doesn't want to wait, they want to sell it, they will jump, they will move in here because this is people
Mhm.
want to buy, right? This is
Mhm.
okay, give me this price. See, this is the price. Okay, I want to sit here. I want to sit here. This is people who is waiting, you know. This is people who also want to sell. This is want to buy. So when these people, the seller in here, give to here, that's
Mhm.
mean the buyer, we have to see if the buyer stay in here or not. If the buyer not stay, sorry, if the buyer not stay, then we will know. Oh, why like this? I hate this one. Okay. Ah, so, mm, yeah, wait, just a moment. Let me do this. That's better. So, look at this one. Look at this one. Now, price back in here. Look at this one.
Mhm.
If we think the market will going up, they will stay in here, right? If the price is going down and nobody want to buy, we will see slowly it's going down. Until when we don't know. We just
Mhm.
need to think, okay, this is going up. Just one way first. Because it's more easier. Once you already get pro, then you can things for up and down. But for now, you have to decide. It doesn't matter is it going up or wrong. It doesn't matter it will be wrong or not. But you will learn. Okay, there is nothing going up, and you just stop. You know,
Mhm.
maybe tomorrow, because when you are doing trading, you cannot like every day you will make money. Maybe today,
Ага.
chut you will lose, right? Maybe tomorrow you will still lose. But when you are win big. I will teach you how to this one. That's
Mhm.
one thing. You know what? When everything come together, then we can go, right? So that's the
Mhm.
thing. And I saw you um another market. Hang on. Let me prepare this one. Uh, yeah. Okay. Let me
Sorry.
show you this. Hopefully we can do this three. Can you see another chart
Um,
yet?
Нет, only this.
Okay. Let me close this one first. Stop sharing. This one, stop sharing. How about this? Can you see? Or still not?
Yes.
Okay. So this one, you see this one? Where is?
Мгм. Да-да-да.
Oh my God, where is my pen? Okay, here. This one, it's called ES. ES, it's for the American index. ES. This is from
Uh-huh.
S&P. Yeah,
Mhm.
S&P 500.
Lebih.
Right? Yeah. Look at the difference,
Moment, Ruby,
you know?
пожалуйста.
Yes. Mhm.
Эля? Ага.
So look at the difference. The market in here, it's not jumping around. It's very solid, right?
Мгм.
Before it's like because not
Ага.
so many people, trading with the gold. That's why if you only trade with the gold, you can, but you have to see another market because you need to see if the market is really going, with you or not. Because if the market is going like very fast, like you will lose money. You know, you can, but
Yeah.
usually this is what I do. When I trade Solota, I only like sometimes one, maximum two. If the market is good, I can trade three. But with this one, with the ES, I start with two. When the market it's confident, I take another two, so it will be four. I can
Mhm.
go like 8 lot for this one because look at this.
Mhm.
I can see like people buying in here, and then still nobody buying in upside. Okay, I just need to wait. So if, for example, it's like this, actually this is not for the beginner, but I need the thinking behind the chart, because a lot of people just, okay, if like this of indicator like this, you just buy, right? So actually the market, it's the behind the market is like this. This is the solid market. This is very solid market. See this one? You can see this
Mhm.
one. Hmm? And another solid market, I will show you one more time, then we will go back to the chart. I'll show you this one. Mm. It's called CNO. Why not have this one? Uh, Maybe. Not sure why. Okay. Let's make this. CNM. Oh, okay. Number of CMN 6. Can I have it? Hmm, why they don't have it? I will. We will come back later, but I'll show you this one. Okay. Look at this one. See this one? They have this one like this because it's big number. See? This big number. See? They stay in
Mhm.
here. So you are very confident. Let's say you buy in here, if the price going this one, that's mean there is no buyer anymore, and you just leave it. You just take a loss and just bye bye. And then next time you will trade again. So this is the beauty about, we call it liquid market. You know?
Mhm.
So not only the gold. The gold, yes, because we can trade when when we have the momentum. That's one thing. Let's go back to the chart first. Let's go back to the chart first. So hopefully You can you can follow this one and not too boring for you.
No, no boring.
Right? So
It's very interesting, you know.
so because I tell you what, when you know how to trade, you can trade everything. For example, right now, I tell you what, I give you the one example. Okay, this is commodity. This is let's see on. Don't worry about the type of chart. I will explain what this is, but just think about it. This is the bond. This is 2-year bond. This is 5 years bond. This is what they call it, the government bond. When the government want to borrow the money, people will buy this bond. So this is 2-year, 5-year, 10 years. This is very solid. This is also, and we will know. I say this one. What do you call it? This is the oil. Let me take this one.
Where? I can see.
Oh, sorry. You cannot see? Hang on.
Mm-mm.
Okay, sorry. Let's go back to. Hey, okay, here.
This is only Zolota price.
Yeah,
Да.
okay, just wait. Right. Okay. Don't worry about this chart. I will explain what kind of the chart this one, because I'm using this one a lot. So this is 2-year bond. This is 5-year bond, the government bond. So when the government, the US government need the money, they release the paper. They say, hey, I give you the check for 2 years, and I give you percent, like maybe 3%. If people think, oh, it's good, they will buy. But they also, if the people think, hey, now you are in war, I don't want is 3%, maybe up to 4%, something like this. If the government say, no, I only give 3%, so people not to buy, they will sell. So it's like this. So and they also have the 2 years, 5-year, yeah, this 10 years, 30 years. We can trade everything this one, and we also no need to trade this one. For example, like this, when people want to buy the bond, that's mean people don't want to buy the stock, and maybe people also don't want to buy the gold. Why? I tell you what. This is very important. Stock. Yeah. Maybe we start with a clean one better. Hang on. Let me finish the example one. Then after that we go for this one. Okay. So this is the bond. Another one, I have this one. This is the chart for the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. And also I have Australian, this one, versus Canadian. Why I have this one? Sometimes, just sometimes, I trade this one. Why like this? I tell you one thing. The Canadian dollar, the currency, right? The forex, it will go up if the oil go up. Why? Because Canadian produce the oil. Okay? If the dollar name, it's the XY. If the dollar is going down, okay, then this one, it's going up also, because people will buy dollar to sell the Canadian dollar. But if the if the dollar going up,
Mhm.
this is going down. So if the dollar going up and the oil going up, this is will not doing anything, just like this. If the
Mm.
oil going down and the dollar going down, this is also going like this. Okay, that's the Canadian dollar. The
Mhm.
Australian dollar is different again. Australian dollar, they have zolota, they have
Uh-huh.
copper, they have a lot of things, they have a lot of metals, silver, everything.
Mhm.
But they are buying, they don't have oil, so they have to buy oil. So Australian dollar, if the oil going up, the Australian dollar going down.
Right. Mhm.
If the dollar, the XY, going up, this is also going down. Okay?
Ah.
If the oil going up and the dollar going down, this is will not do anything.
Mm.
Or maybe just move a little bit, right? So because this one have the dollar, this one also have the affect the dollar, we cross this one. We cross this one. So because whatever the dollar happen, this too will happen. This too will inverse. But
Oh,
we see this one, which is like we have oil now. This one good with the oil. This one not good with the oil. So if the oil going up, I buy the CAD, I buy the Canadian, and sell the Australian dollar.
Ah.
So
Uh-huh.
yeah, and then this is the beauty about the trading. Not always happen because the war is not always happen. But right
Mhm. Mhm.
now there is a war. See, the price can go up very fast and then go down very fast because of this one. Look at this. Up and up and maybe going down again. So it's like
Mhm.
this. So a lot of things that you can trade,
Yes, we can trade with
Ah,
any so
damn.
many.
Yeah, because like to shoot here, because of course you need to have one focus or two focus. I focus on Zolota and also on the ES, the stock, right?
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
another one I will do if like usually I have three, four or three. Like another three, another two is one is this one, the bond, and
Mhm.
also another one it's a European stock. But now I'm very busy, so I don't have time. But you know, when you see when you can feel this one, it's just like that. And I show you this one. I will show you U.S. index. Hmm?
Uh-huh.
All of this one. This is ES. This is S&P, right? And then this is Nasdaq. You know Nasdaq, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
This is Dow Jones,
Dow Jones, uh-huh.
and this is Russell. What is Russell? Russell, it's a small company, 2,000 small company in US.
Mm.
So this is Dow Jones. This is industry, banking industry, anything about the banking industry. So just looking at this one, we can see how good is the economy of US. You see, the this one, the ES right now going up because of mostly because of AI
Mhm.
and technology, everything. Like Nvidia buy for a lot of AI buy a lot of thing from Nvidia, AMD. It's computer thing. It's going up.
Mhm.
But look at the industry. The industry is just normal, going up and down again, going up, and we don't know if it's
Mhm.
going up again or not. Which is right now for the last 2 weeks, there is nothing changed on the industry, which is like normal, just normal. Can we trade in the normal? Yes, I told you. Because if if the market is normal, going like this, it's very easy. When you go down when the prices go down and not going any lower, we buy and we sell. And then when the market going up, we sell and they buy. So sometimes when the market just up, 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 I just don't trade. Sometimes like this. Because why we have to be emotional like this? Because another market just doing like this, and you will make money with the market like this.
Mhm.
You know, this one like this, it's okay, but you cannot trade big. You know, the market, because now it's very high. For example, it's like this. Back again in the fish market. Just think that you are fish traders, right?
Mhm.
Everyone buy the fish at 7,300, and then
Uh-huh.
now you buy the fish at 7,400. If you buy in the top like this, you have you have to have someone to buy in here, right? If someone doesn't
Да.
want to buy in here, then you will lose money because everyone is buying in here, right? See this one?
Мгм. Да.
They buy in here. Sorry. See, they buy in here. They buy in here. Nobody buy in up there, so you don't know, right? But
Мгм.
if the market is like this, you know this is the high price, and
Мгм.
you know this is just not so high price. You know this is a cheap price. If you buy here, you know maybe someone will still want to buy here because you know there is people buying here, buying here.
Ага.
So maybe you can buy and then sell it here. If you are loose, you just lose small, and then you will wait in here because from here they buy this much. Maybe in here,
Мгм.
maybe they buy. If we are wrong, they just cut, and then we go here and buy again.
Мгм.
So because
Мгм.
we can see on the left, okay, people buy in here, buy here. This is the minimum one. So if I buy in here, I can sell it in. But if the market going down, then I just cut and stop. That's mean people don't want to buy in here again. So simple like that. But if you buy in here, oh
Мгм.
come on, the way it's going up. If it's going up, if not, or if you sell in here, oh the way it's going down. It maybe it's not going down. It can be going up and going up, and you don't know why it's going up and why it's going down. You know.
Мгм.
So if you know this one for me, uh, don't trade something like this. You know, because like there is another way to trade with this one. This is need to trade like very fast, going down, little bit, buy and then sell, very fast.
Мгм.
It will be very fast this one. So that's why
Мгм.
we will learn about the concept first. Okay. So
Хорошо.
the and before I explain about what kind of the chart this one and how you will get this one, I need to show you this one first. Let's see. Let's go back to here. Let's clean up everything. Okay, let's go. Right. So we need to know um, what kind of the contract you have to know about this one. You know, because like people sometimes, okay, Zolota, they know this one, right? Gold versus US dollar, right? Or XAU US dollar, right? The one that I show you is GC, gold contract. It's different. Okay, what is this one? What is one? In the market, I have to explain to you. The first thing I need to explain about the stock first. So this is will be same. So okay, I know how to explain in Solota. Okay, let's think you buy. Let's go. Let's think that you are in the market. Huh? You are in the market. You are in the shop. When you buy the gold, you see the physic. You pay and you take, right?
Mhm.
This is physical things. So usually it's one by one. What does that mean, one by one? If the price is 1,000, you pay 1,000. Okay? This is the seller, this is the buyer. In the physical market also, they have margin. Margin, it's like borrowing. Simple this like this. What is margin? Margin is like you borrow the money. From who? From the seller, from the broker, doesn't matter, right? How to do it? This is the big seller, the big seller. This is small seller, and this is the buyer. So let's say you are a small shop, okay? The
Mhm.
buyer want to buy at $100. This one, the seller, want to sell $100. And you are in the middle. You just have a zero money, right? I mean, like if you buy from here and then sell it to here, then you don't get the money, right? Correct?
Mhm.
But
Correct.
if you can negotiate, come on lah, it's good price. The price is going up. Maybe just $1, just $1.
Mhm.
It will be 1.1, right? Or maybe you talk with the seller, please lah, we are friend. Can you make it 99? So we make this one $1 here, $1 here. So you make $2, right?
Mhm.
But if you are start with the $99, you pay $91, and then you are sell it at 102. It's very small. It's only like 1.5%, right?
Yeah.
It's too small, right? So how to make it this one big? You talk with this guy. I give you. Let's say you don't need to negotiate with them. Let's say you want to pay 100. Okay, I okay with you, $100, but I pay you now 10% first. How much is that? 10% is $10, right? When you sell to the seller, you sell at 100. Sorry, 101. So $100 back to here, right?
Mhm.
But $1 will be for you. So because you only start with $10, but you make money $1, it's not 1% anymore. You already make 10%. You get it?
Mhm.
So that's why how they make the money. That's why the car dealer, they not buy 100% and then put on the showroom and waiting for the people for buy. That's stupid. They cannot make money like that. Maybe they just pay 10% to the people who have a car, not or maximum 40% because they don't know, right? After that, they
Mhm.
just make little money, the small money for them is already 10%. So if you have one thing like this, you can do 10 times, right? So this is the margin. This is why they give you margin, because they will do more this one. Okay, right.
Mhm.
So we continue. This is the normal. You have to know this is the normal in the market.
Mhm.
Nobody pay 100 and sell it 101 in the market everywhere. For the big deal. Yeah, if you are buying from, let's say that you are buying from China, you're buying, $100 clothes, and you sell it, 105. That's because a normal business. If you're dealing with the big one, you can negotiate. Hey, I want to buy big. Like I pay you 10% first, something like this. Maybe if they don't trust you, you don't need to. You know, you see on the marketplace, you can see that sometimes when you buy, they need like 7 days, or 10
Mm-hmm.
days, because they don't have the things on their hand. They need to buy from another place. They just lock the price. Okay, don't sell to anyone. I give you 10% because they know to sell it, right? I give you
Huh?
10%, don't sell it. When people buy, then they pay and then they sell it to you. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why they can very cheap, because they just need to make like small money become big money. That's
Mm-hmm.
how they trade. Okay, let me continue this one. So this is the physical one. Okay, one on one, or maybe if leverage, not so much. Another market, it's called future market. This is very important. When I say GC or MGC, this is the code for the future market. And I will explain what it's the different and why it's important. But when people trading, small trading, or like small club trading, they're doing this one. The
Mm-hmm.
This one is CFD.
Mm-hmm.
CFD mean contract for different. The future, I tell you what, the future for the gold only trade in US. It's called COMEX. Okay, this is CMA Group.
Mm-hmm.
CMA is called Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So in US, right?
Uh-huh.
So it's the things, the illustration is like this. This is very, very important. I wait, oops. So why this is important? I tell you what. This is the contract for the Gizi. This is Zamira. This is
Nada?
Elia.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If you want to buy the contract for the gold, you must buy from this one, COMEX. This is have a broker. Maybe you make a broker A, Elia make a broker B, But A and B have to go this one. So the
Mm-hmm.
volume that you saw is the true volume, because that volume it's from here.
Mm-hmm.
So you really know if this is um, the buyer or not, and you buy the contract. And what is the future market? The future market is like this. The future market, they have a contract, June contract, May, June, July contract, October, September, something like that. But mostly like 3 months, every 3 months, the contract. What is the contract like this? You know, like I said, for the margin, when you buy the contract for June delivery, the Zolota will be delivered to your home at the June.
Mm-hmm.
But you're not sure, right? You don't know if the price of Zolota is going up, it's going down. So you just say to the broker, "Hey, I want to buy Zolota, okay? But I want to use the margin, okay, 10%. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you buy the contract for June.
Uh-huh.
At the end of the June, you have to pay. So let's say now Zolota is what, 7,400. If you pay 10%, so that's mean you pay 700, and the rest of it you have to pay when they deliver, right? But if the price is going down, which is like, it's not good anymore, you just close the
Mm-hmm.
contract. Yeah, I don't want to buy. How about the 10%? You lose the 10%. But that's it. That's why when you lose, some people say, "Oh, I lose 5,000." Actually, it's not, because you don't
Mm-hmm.
pay 100%. You just pay like, some of the market is 30%, 50%. Sometimes it's not 100%. This is the advance payment. This is just the margin money that you lose. So that's why if you trade, you have to be careful, and you have to have a mindset how you will spend the money. Some people look like, there is one people, I have one friend, they open the account like 5,000 and they can
Uh-huh.
lose like 100% loss. And they open again 5,000 another week and he lose again. And they open another 5,000 like another week. And then when they win so big. And I said to his friend, my friend is like this. How can you spend like this? It's like a gambling. I said, no, brother. You have to remember when we pay 5,000, this is only a margin. It's not 100%. I have $50,000 and
Uh-huh.
I already calculate, you know, 5,000 I lose, okay, but when I win another 5,000, I can win big because I know that the Zolotah is going this way. So if they believe that's what, and he already ready to lose 50,000. So it's like that, like the mindset. So that's why I said to you, you cannot copy someone trading. You have to find how you will comfortable to trading. So that's one thing. Forget about the chart, forget about the things. Just look at the chart. Like let's say that I want to buy this way. Where is my risk? How much that I will lose? And which market I want to choose. Like the European is slow, but you can see the American market. It's big, but it's fast. Something like this.
Mhm.
You have to find by yourself then. But for the start, you need to start with the this one. Okay. Now, how about the other one? Uh, the other one is the CFD, the one that I told you. This is the contract. It's very dangerous actually. It's a lot of people trade on the CFD. You can lose so fast. You can lose on the future, but you can lose so fast on the CFD. Why? I tell you what. Because remember, with the future, if you buy the gold, everyone need to go with the CME, the COMEX, right? The exchange, right?
Uh-huh.
Everyone need to connect this one to buy and sell the buy. But the CFD actually, it's called derivative. Derivative, it's mean like uh how we call it derivative. Derivative, I explain later. But things like this, they don't have the physic one. This is the contract, just like I can say like a gambling because it's not real. You know, you have broker A. Let's say you open a broker in Kazakhstan. Okay,
Uh-huh.
this is you open in Kazakhstan, and then area, and then area open at Uzbekistan maybe, right? Oh, you don't like Uzbekistan? Okay, in Dubai. Okay, maybe area open in Dubai, right?
Uh-huh.
When you look at the volume, it's not the real volume in here. This one from everywhere, from all around the world, they trade through the one market. But this one is not. They don't have the physical one. They just have the price data, and they give you trade. When you buy from where? Buy from them. When you sell from where? Who's the buyer? Them. So it's like a gambling. It's like a casino.
Uh-huh.
That's why the price different will be high. The spread, the buy
Uh-huh.
and the sell. When you buy, you will buy in here. You cannot buy in here. You know, at the future, it's the spread is very thick, thin like this. So you can wait to buy here and then they go up. Here, it's very big. That's why to trade with the CFD, you have to wait the market is going up, then you will make money. But in here, it's not. You just
Uh-huh.
need to see the buy and sell, and then yes, you make money. I show you this one, okay? Because this is very important. Like if you are start with the wrong market, then you are wrong. That's very it whatever you learn because because for many years long time ago, I study with the people from US, from London, from India also. You know, because I feel that I'm small traders, so maybe I just using this one, the small market, but it's wrong. You know, it's not like this. And let me tutorials. I show you this one. Okay, this. Okay, I give you 30 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, the US so the gold market is open. See like this? That's why they're going very fast.
Mm-hmm.
They're very important. I saw you this one also. Hang on. This is very very interesting. You have to see this. Look at this. The market going very fast now. See?
Да.
Yeah. See, and the number is starting. See, like ooh.
Still selling, да?
Yeah, yeah. But it's going up and then going down. See, like this. They're going
Да.
back. And they will move very fast. Right? Still going down. See, like this. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's don't worry about this one. What I'm trying to say is like this. Remember the Asian market, the London market. Look at this one, the CFD. Okay. Remember the CFD is a broker.
Mm-hmm.
CFD. Look at this volume. How come every time it's full?
Mm-hmm.
You know, because people, the biggest market is in US and people still sleep. How come in London the same? But look at it here. It's different, right?
Mm-hmm. Да.
You know when the market is when people not trading, see when people not trading, and then
Mm-hmm.
have this now start up. This one is
CFD
everything
we
is
don't know, right?
yeah, yes. This one it's not true. This is the market from this is the what was it, the volume from Oanda, this one from the broker. And I show you this
Mm-hmm.
one. If I use another broker, see this one, see have a lot, have CMC market, have uh, sorry, F1, the TVC, Forex.com, FXCM. I take the accent. See, look at this. They are different, you know, and they sometimes they start also different. That's why you cannot use you cannot use this one. No, no, no. For the data, in the FXCM, sorry, in the trading view, you cannot use it. You have to use this one. GC
You
one, yeah. Actually, like this. When you click GC, it's come out like this.
Mm-hmm.
See, in here, hang on. You can see I have the GC1, GC. Don't worry about this one. But see, have
Mm-hmm.
GCK. It's May contract, right?
Mm-hmm.
GCM is June contract. Right now, we have to trade on the June contract. The May will be finished. You know, like nobody want to trade. So usually, its volume it's very small.
Uh-huh.
N is July. Q August. U September. This is the real contract because some people want to deliver on June. But some people say, hey, I don't need right now. I will pay it on the October.
Mm-hmm.
So they can use the contract for the October, you know, for long time.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we will learn in the future, we will learn about this one so we can know that the market still want the gold or not. We can see this one. So for example, it's like this. If I see on the June, how much the price on the June, how much the price on the October. If the October still up, even it's going down, but still up, that's mean maybe in the future it's going up. The probability is going up, something like this. So yeah, you have to use this one GC for the gold contract. So you can see this one. For the trading, this is GC and this is MGC. MGC, it's a micro gold future for a smaller one. You need to study from the what do you call it, the AI, ask the different with the future um this is mini and this is a micro, so MGC is the micro one. And what's the difference?
Mm-hmm.
So something like this. So yeah, so that's about
Сейчас,
it. So
сейчас.
that's about it for today. And
Ага.
before I close this one, I want to show you why
Ага.
the yes. So I want
Alessandro,
the
he call you Papa?
so I'll show you this one. This is what we call it market profile. Okay. Actually, what is market profile? Actually, this is just same. This one bar, it's 30 minutes. But if we put together, it's become like
Huh?
this. So this one bar like this is 30 minutes, right? This call it's market profile. You have to pay for this one, for trading view for the premium one. I will teach you how to make a big discount for the trading view. It's if you just like click and I want to buy now, like it's gonna be like 1,000 something like that. But actually you don't need to pay this one much. That there is a way to do it. But this is you don't need this one right now, but I just need to know about this one. This one it's called time, price, and opportunity chart. TPO chart, right? So the chart is like this. When we put together, it's become like this, right? So I show you another example. Usually I have something in here. Okay. So this is the 30-minute chart. I think I have this. Yes, I have.
This.
Can you see this?
Да.
Yeah. So actually this one, why it's like this? Because this is not so much. This is so much. See? And this is not so much, this area. And this one is lot of pricey, like this. And then this is not so much, this is not so much, this is not so much. That's why they make it like this, like B, right? Like V. I learned Russian. So this shape, you can see that people trade on here. That's why when the market is going down, it's very hard because like everyone trade on here. We will learn about this one later, but this called market profile data. The market profile. This is when we press everything together. So that's why I use this one a lot to see how the market. For example, it's like this. I show you this one. Let me unblock this one. This is how I trade. The first thing that I trade after the daily chart is this one. So what I'm trying to see is this is today, this is Friday, this is Wednesday, okay, this is Tuesday, right? Am I correct? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and then Tuesday. So I know, right? I know right now the market is above Monday and Tuesday. But look at this, the price, the Fed one, the Fed price, it's around here, which is little bit below, but not so far. And look at this one. They trade in here, they trade in here, they trade in here. That's why when the price going down, they're going up. Now I just want to see if the price can go up back to this area or not. But I have also need to be realistic. You know, there is no news, there is no strong news. Maybe just in here, maybe in here, and then selling again. Maybe in here. So I know if people want to buy higher or not. If never go up, maybe just go back in here. So the market is always like this. I'll show you this one. They make like this, right? Look, this is the open. The white one is always the open area. You know, sometimes it's long, sometimes it's short. This is the first, I think, first 5 minutes or 1 hour. I forget, but I will check this one. I think the first 1 hour in the Asia in here, and then the price is going up, right? And then close in here. When they going up, they going down again to this area, right? So people like to trade on this area. You have to know about this one. So when here it's too expensive, they sell it back to the normal price. This is the normal price for this week. Yeah? And then the price open, they go down, and people feel this one is too cheap, they go up back to this area. But look at when the price going up, because this one, a lot of people selling in here. If this is not good enough for buying, then they're going back again to this area. Look at this. They're going back. Okay, they make this price, right? So this between this one. So that's why you will see that I have another one. This one, this is the same one like this, but together. Together from what I see in here. So I can see the volume is here. So I have to see if this going up. Maybe this is the maximum. Yeah, maybe, because there is no news. What is news today? Okay, Trump saying like this, they don't like, blah, blah, blah. Okay.
Nothing happened, yes. They
Yeah,
just
nothing happened. We we have to see the market. Sometimes the news say like this, like that, everyone want to start the war, but the market know better than us. That's why when you hear something, you just see. If like today, we sorry, the market um the market worry about the Trump, and then the stock is going down,
yes.
or the gold is going down, then it will be going fast, and you can follow this one also, but because they are following the news, sometimes they follow, sometimes not. But the good thing is like this, you have to remember like this. The good thing is, if most people wrong about the news, the market will move very fast. If people wrong about the news, the market will move very fast. You have to remember this one. That's why if I see the market like this, before it was selling, right? And now it's buying, right? Okay. This is for today, this is the maximum. What I will do, I just wait. Because when the price like this, what people do? Oh, I want to buy, right?
No, maybe it's wrong because it's maximum, да? Just need to wait.
Maybe. Wait, this moment. This moment, eh?
Смотри, отличается в ценах. Ты заметила? Вот смотри, сейчас текущая цена, вот посмотри, 4712. Видишь разницу?
So when the market is like this, I just leave it. Sometimes I play game, or I just study something else. I just wait, because this is still open, right? If the market back, so it is.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Сейчас.
If the market back in here, see,
Мгм.
if the market back in here, they will show, okay, going down and then people still buy. Then we can trade in it. It doesn't matter.
М,
But if people wrong and trade in here,
мгм.
trust me, it will be very fast.
М, мгм.
They
Мгм.
will be very fast going down because see, it's going up, 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 and then they cannot sell at higher price. What we call it competition for selling. Just like people on the this one, right? People on the fish market because hey,
Мгм.
I cannot sell higher, and the time is want to be. I mean, like the time is not enough. The market will close. I just need to sell it because they need to go home with the money.
Мгм.
They don't want to wait for the bus. So that's why I just for this kind of thing I just wait. I don't need to be hurry for this one because it's it will be easy and we will learn how
Мгм.
how how to read the market when it's wrong. Something like the market is going
Мгм.
down, very big with volume. See this one? Have volume there,
Да.
but after that going up and
О,
then going
sorry.
down again in second time, but no
Ага.
volume and going up. Yeah. This is on the Wyckoff. They teach about this one. So you can see
М,
right now, just sit and relax. Nothing to do. Because
мгм.
now it's 8:30,
Мгм.
for the New York time. Hang on, is it? Yes, this is 8:30. Now 9 o'clock. Another 30 minutes. The New York open. The New York stock open.
И
Yeah,
after 30 minutes.
yeah. After the then you will see. Sometimes you can trade on the open, but sometimes you just need to sit and wait. See
Мгм.
this one? Have a big volume. Okay. If if the market today, if the market today stay above here, because this one
Мгм.
with the big money,
Мгм.
70% the market will go this way, right? But
Yes.
if with the big money and they cannot go higher and stop in here, below this one, people will sell very fast. Will it go here? I don't know, but I think it's go here first. It's go here first. Even the price is only going here, you make money.
Мгм.
And if you're wrong very small. That's one thing. Just
Мгм.
like in the poker,
Мгм.
you know, the poker is gambling, but the good about the poker, it's money management. That's why even though I don't go to casino, I read a lot of book of poker because you need to know, you need to feel if you are in the wrong position and when you have to stop. And the good thing, why a lot of poker people when they do the trading, they love it so much. Because in the poker, when you put the money on the table, you cannot take out, right?
Мгм.
But in trading, you can take it out. Let's say that you put the margin like this one, maybe $100, right? This is the
Мгм.
margin, not the cash money. The cash need to be more. So $100 for the margin. Let's say your money it's 3,000, right? And you are selling, and now it's going this one. You don't put the money in 3,000 everything in 3,000, right? Maybe now you just lose like $50 or maybe $100. You still have 2,000 and 900.
Мгм.
But if you put your money on the poker tables, you cannot
Мгм.
take back this one, right?
Да.
But in the trading, it's good. And if you are right, let's say the market is going up, you make very good money. That's why a lot of gambler they love about trading.
Мгм.
They move the thing. I have one teacher. He's a psychologist. She is I will send you. I think you know this woman, Anna Dupta. Remember when?
Мгм.
Yeah, I saw you.
Да-да-да, Duke, I read. Да-да-да.
Yes, this Anadu, he's not trading, but he become the consultant for the trading because
Мгм.
he feel the problem with the traders, because sometimes the traders think that hey, it's going up. Maybe it's going up this one lah. Maybe we are late. No, no, no.
Мгм.
Just let it come down. Because if this one, maybe the price will be go to the moon, but right now you are delayed. You have to sit. Yeah.
Мгм.
When the market is like this, you can buy here, and your risk will be in here. We will teach you
Мгм.
about this one. Okay.
Ага,
So
ага.
for now, like I said to you, just use this one, but don't use candle. Why I
Мгм.
don't want you to use candle with the color? Because if you put like this, you will distract with the body. I don't want you
Ага.
to distract the body. It's not important. You know,
Мгм.
the most important one is where is the close. Yeah, this one is like this. You can, and I don't care. You see, HLC bar, high,
Мгм.
low, and close. If I click this one off, they have the open,
Мгм.
which is like open here, close here. I don't need to see this one. I just need the high and close. And up and down, I just put the same color. Why? It doesn't
Мгм.
matter because the color need to be same. The close is important. For example, it's like this. Oops. For example, it's like this. This is going up
Мгм.
and the close still near the high, which is like if I want to sell, I have to wait until the seller push it down.
Мгм.
And we have to remember before the market open, they have two big volume on this
Мгм.
bar. So this is the trigger. So maybe the buyer, the initial buyer, the buyer start from here. So we have to put the line in here. So
Мгм.
if we want to sell, let's say there is a selling, we have to see this is our first target first.
Мгм.
Because see, this is a big volume and this,
Volume. Yeah.
yeah, this is a big volume. So we can see this one. And on the up, see this one, big one.
Мгм.
So this is the big
It's
one,
high.
and
Yeah.
then this one is this one, and maybe this one. So you can use this
Мгм.
one. So from volume to volume, you already know, and you don't. You have to remember also on the Asia there is a not so big like this, but they are very steady in here.
Мгм.
So this one, when the price, look at this, the beautiful about the volume. The price going up, but because of this one, and there is no volume in here, where does it go? Down.
Мгм. Down.
Yeah. So
Да.
yes, it will go up, but need volume like this.
Мгм.
So that's why this is for today. This area will be the support. So I have to see if I want to sell, I need this price going down here. Can
Мгм.
I sell this one? Okay, that's more advanced, but I don't need to be a hero. I want to trade. I want to make sure that everything is good. Even just $1 for me, it's enough, because
Мгм.
you know, if you can make $1 or $2 in the market in not very long time, you will can make the $10. After you make $10, you can make $100. So on and
Мгм.
so on, so on. But you need to know the market first.
Хорошо.
So this is from today.
Мгм.
I want you to look at this one, the GC, yeah, GCM, and also to market, yeah, and also
Мгм.
on, hang on, this one, and also on this one. This is ES, right? This is the S&P 500 future, M also,
Ага.
yeah, because you know people think, oh, I cannot make money. No, there is a big money also in here. Because on the S&P you can trade in 1 minute contract. Sorry, 1 minute time frame like this. See this? In Wyckoff, this is called accumulation. The price going down and then going down, but not follow through, no more. But then we can buy, and we can see here, we buy again, and we know this is the seller. When it go up, we sell, we close the position, and then maybe we try to sell it again. This is the slow one, but very good. So in the,
Классно.
this is ES, you can trade in 1 minute.
1
1
minute.
minute. Yeah. So like this. Let's say, I'm stupid, you know, this is buying. I can buy here and then stop here. And then this is my market. So it's like this. Oh, that's very small. No. In a future contract, it's different. If you use the ES, which is like the mini contract, that's what they call it, E-mini. How much? How many tick from here to here? So this is 2.50. 2.50. Yeah. Hang on. How to calculate this one? Okay. 2.50 divided by 2. So in E-mini contract, if I'm right, just one contract on E-mini from here to here, 2.50, because this one, look at this one, they increase every 0.25. So every 0.25, we call it 1 tick. So this one is 250. So they have they have 10 tick, right? 1 tick in ES, it's $12.5. So if I'm right from here to here, just from here to here, I already got how much? $125. Just from here to here. Can you imagine? Okay. Oh yeah, but I lose big. I'm not ready for that. That's fine. This is 10 tick. If I use MES, which is micro ES, it's $1.25 for 1 tick. So from here to here, how much I got? $12. It's good, huh?
Да.
Because it's still morning in US. Can go here, can go there, whatever it is, we can trade. Of course, we have to be we have to learn more about how to trade, but at least you have to know what you want to trade and you have to know where is the market right now, you know. This is, if I bring it back, see this one, where is it right now, you know? Will this going up or will this stop? If you think this is going up, where is your risk? Simple like that. And if you want to buy this one, where is your target? And also, if you want to sell this one, where is the risk? Because can you sell it? Yes, of course. Why? Think about this one. This is selling and then buying. That's why they close in here. This is selling, see this one? And then going down and buy here. This is selling and then buy here. Now we just see if there is a seller again, then maybe the price will going down to here. Yeah? So that's it for today. Slowly, see, it's going up.
Да.
Volume, you know, no need to do anything, just sit. So when the market it's like this, usually, you know, and like this, okay, good. That's mean I don't want to think the market going down right now, right? So it will be here. So how to do it? We just wait because usually the market going this one again, doing the same thing like this one. So we just need to wait. If we find the place to sell, then we sell to here, not to here anymore. Before, when the market here, if the price is going down, then I will sell it to here. But right now, if I want to sell it, just sell it here because, you know, retail traders, like new traders, they were waiting to buying here. Mm. So we are different than retail trader. We have to think the other way around. We have to follow the big money. Okay.
Мгм. Хорошо.
Before, okay, very last one. I'll show you this one. This is the indicator that I create. See this one? This
Мгм.
this is the data of. I'll show you this one. Wait, maybe not this one. I say this better. This one. It's this one. See, this is the data for. Okay, this one, the red one. This one, the red one, is the commercial, which is commercial is the big bank or the producer for the gold. This is how
Мгм.
much they buy the contract in total.
Мгм.
Where did this data get? They get the data from CMA. They call it CMA. I will show you later. This is the data for 1 week, right?
Мгм.
And then the last speculator. This is the blue one. This is the this one. This is the like hedge fund. It's different again. It's trader but big. This one is
Мгм.
usually bank and also usually the gold miner. And the yellow
Мгм.
one is a retail. Retail is small trader like us. So right now,
Мгм.
because the price is going up so fast, right
Мгм.
now I can see only the small traders it's buying. The big player it stayed down. The big traders it's selling. So if I want to buy the gold,
Ага.
I if I want to buy the Zolota, I need
Ага.
to buy and sell it fast. No need to hold too long. Because
А,
the big player it's not buying. The big player it's selling. So maybe it's going up. Maybe I'm wrong too, but maybe most probably the market going up and then going down. So this is
м,
for this one, right? Yes. So, but this one is very fast. Okay, but how fast this one? It's not too fast. I show you this why it's not. See, this
мгм.
is the area of the people selling before. So that's why I just wait when the
Maybe
market.
going up to 760 and going down.
Yes, maybe, but maybe just in here because see like this. This is the fat stomach incident. Here is fat stomach. So this one is not so much on Friday. Yes, on Thursday in here, but Friday in here. So they are
Mhm.
testing the high of this one. If this is
Mhm.
finished, they will go this one. How about if this
Mhm.
continues? Then okay, because I don't see any trade. Just and this is Monday. I just can leave it. We can trade
Mhm.
tomorrow. So it's like that. Because Sami, soon or later, the market will be tired. Why they will tired? You see, the volume will be off. When
Yeah.
the volume will be off, that's mean nobody doing the trading. They will stop and they will sell it because they buy here, they sell it here, and if
Что
they
же?
cannot sell it higher, they're gonna sell and sell and sell and sell going down. Remember, they
А,
need to go home,
Ага.
right? They need to
Да.
sell to someone who want to buy. If they know the market is not doing anything, the buyer, they just wait. Just like you are in the market, hey, can I buy this one for 1,000 tenge? Okay, not. This is 750. Okay. Sorry, this is 1,200. Okay, just leave and then just walk around again. Let's see.
Ага.
Sometimes this is they call you back. Hey, come on lah, let's talk lah.
Мгм.
I give you
Да-да-да.
business on a discount. So it's
Ага.
like this. So we will see. If they don't want to sell, maybe we are wrong. Maybe
Ага.
other people can buy higher. So that's okay. We just need to,
Мгм.
next day we will think another one again. So that's one thing. Okay?
Хорошо.
Okay, this
At
video
least
is recorded. I will put on the private link on the YouTube so you can see it,
О,
right?
хорошо, хорошо,
Mhm.
хорошо. What it mean?
Okay,
Хорошо.
good
Thank you
night
so
for now.
much.
Okay, okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. All right. So Elia still there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
She's here. His son also sit and looking.
So, how do you think this different, huh?
It's it's really different.
Yeah.
Start from
Okay.
candle and
Привет, папа Руби.
ой, Жан, подожди.